Kendall, wake up.
Yo, 5 more minutes, homie.
Alright, that was good.
Okay, what kind of setting is that?
Beast mode setting.
Hi, Mr. Skull. I heard you have an announcement.
Yes, I do have an announcement. It's almost Halloween. Time for pumpkin flavored everything.
Yay!
Hi, I'm Lauren, and these are some new games coming out. Uncharted, the Nathan Drake's Collection, Assassin's Creed Syndicate, The Legend of Zelda Triforce Heroes, Halo 5 Guardians, and Call of Duty Black Ops 3.
Hi, my name is Jonas, and this is the popular music for this week. Stitches, Antidote, Flex, See You Again, Up Like Trump.
Alright, you ready? Where you going? Ready? Ready for this? I'm ready. Don't go crazy.
Walking down the street, singing do-wah-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-doo.
Have a great day, Waller.